We've been installing floors for a long time. We know everything about floors. So when you come to us and you're looking for right floors, we can give you the best advice which you really need for your house. You can expect the best price and the best value for your dollar. We've been in business for 2.5 years, serving the Atlanta area. We opened a store about 6 months ago in Conyers, Georgia, and now we sell and full service installation company. I'm known for the best prices. When you come to us, it's not about us, it's about you. We educate our clients all the time. We will tell you the difference between each kind, whether it's laminate, hardwood floors, the real hardwood, engineered, bamboo, or cork. This was one of the things I was the best at after so many people told me that nobody can install as fast as I do and my prices were so competitive. We service all Atlanta area inside the perimeter and outside. We will give you the best price.